What do you think which is important in the van life? Toilet or shower?
What's more important in van life? Toilet or shower?
Yes.
Well, at first we thought it was the toilet, right?
Yeah, we are more discussing about getting toilet.
But turns out the shower is a bit more important because pretty much everywhere you go, there's free toilets, right?
Yeah,
gas
easy
station.
to find.
But shower, you have to go to like a pool or a gym to get a shower, and you basically have to pay for it.
Sometimes like $5, $5 to $10 each.
And it's also annoying, right? Because you have to seek these places out. So, yeah, it's much easier to have a shower in the van.
And you can have a shower anywhere, anytime. So today we're gonna install shower into Tola Z.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be nice and clean. What we got here?
A new shower.
Ooh.
Cool.
Now we can have a shower.
Yeah, it's gonna make hot water for us.
That's great.
Yeah. Eccotemp L5. This is in the manual.
Attention.
Yeah, freeze warning. So this can't freeze, otherwise it's gonna break.
No below zero.
Maybe we don't need this one. It's called a regulator.
Yeah.
We already have one. And this is the shower head.
Ooh,
Oh,
nice
that's fancy.
shower.
It's fancier than any shower I've ever had. I guess you can change the pattern. And I guess this is you want to mount to a wall. And that's the hose, I guess.
Yeah.
I think this is like a heat barrier because it gets hot on the top because there's a flame inside.
Oh, yeah.
Some more hardware.
And this one too.
Oh, that's interesting. Quick connect.
What's this?
Oh, it's Teflon tape, so you can make sure it's not leaking.
Nice. Nice. I'm so excited to have a shower here.
Yeah. Water in, water out, and propane going in
That's
here.
gas, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and there's a switch here.
Oh, it's like batteries?
Battery for like what? So maybe to start?
Maybe. It's a handle too. Maybe we're gonna take the handle off because it's gonna be
On the way.
permanent.
Cool. Oh, it's small, yeah?
So the first problem we have to solve is how do we mount it to the back?
We found a perfect place for our shower. So the shower is gonna go next to the water. I hope it's not too close to the hose and it doesn't get melted, but should be okay.
Well, we can move the hose there,
Yeah,
so it's further.
yeah,
We can move it higher too, a little bit, like here.
yeah. But and then it get hard to refill the water.
Yeah, that's true. This is our electric circular saw. It's lithium ion, and we got it on Amazon. It means we can cut things in the parking lot.
Toolbox, yes, at the Home Depot again. Okay. Yeah. Now we are cutting the mount for shower.
Works
Funny,
great.
yeah. Nice.
It's not even that loud, actually.
No, it's so quiet.
Yeah. Sweet.
So this is for shower mount. So we're gonna screw this to a wall and we're gonna secure the shower here. Before that, we still have to cut it more.
Nice. Feels like this, huh?
Yeah. Make some holes and secure the mount board.
And then this fit here like this.
And it fits perfect.
Then we can like screw it on.
Yeah.
Now it's on.
Great! Nice! We got the shower!
It's not done yet.
It's not done yet. Just checking if the door closes properly.
Yes.
Perfect. Nice.
Can still get water in there. Not as easy anymore, but
It's okay. It's happened like maybe once a week or even less. So.
it's pretty easy to fish that hose in there. Okay, so next thing is we need to run water from the water pump
Yeah.
to here.
Yeah. connect the hose from our water pump to the shower. Yes, the water is leaking. Okay, this is the third try, yeah? 3回目。シャワーそして水漏れもしてません。Great.
Not bad, eh?
It's good, yeah. It's cold.
Maybe it's not the best shower in your life, but
It's good enough.
good enough.
これ水漏れの原因はこのテフロンのテープを使ってなかったからですね。ここね。
Oh, yeah, I thought the rubber seals were enough to seal it, but clearly not.
Clearly not, yeah.
need
That's
the
why
tape.
they send it.
Yeah.
Now Eric is making this hole is for the propane hose. Nice. これがガスですね。
Now we have to push this to the back, honey.
Let's see how the hoses are lined up. The propane hose starts here and meter water hose here. Go through the storage area and disappear to the back. In the back of the van, there is a water tank, and the hoses go underneath the water tank to the shower. Shower! We also installed a valve here too.
Okay.
Nice, looks great.
Yeah, I hope it works out.
Insert batteries. Water is on, yeah,
Oh, yeah.
and it's the fire right away.
Oh, yeah, it's working.
It's working, and it's warm.
Oh, yeah.
It's warm.
Yeah.
Oh, so good. It's so warm. My God. So we always have to close the water tap because
This one is always leaking a little bit, so
Yes.
there's always water coming through.
and we have a shower spot on the window glass. Sweet. Woo. After a ride, it's time to have a shower. Setting up the shower curtain.
Yes.
So we have this hook here and on the door too. And we use this like $10-12 shower curtain from Walmart. And we put them like 3 curtains together. And it works perfectly.
Perfecto.
Put the pole between the door to stop the curtain to come inside. And shower goes on the window. Is it good? I think we are the people, parents, telling their kids, oh, don't close to those guys. Not bad, just weirdos. バックドアが開いていて、こんな感じで囲われております。How was the shower? Clean?
Really nice.
Yeah? シャワー浴びていきたいと思います。中、結構広いですね。カーテンが中に入ってきちゃうので、こんな感じで止める。I think inside gets wet a little bit, huh? Is it okay? Okay. じゃあシャワー浴びたいと思います。
How's it going down there?
It's getting cool.
Yeah. Far out ride called it a summer shower.
How about winter?
Well, I'd call it a 3-season shower.
Not yet. Oh, okay, you show now.
Okay.
The water was really warm, but outside air was still too cold.
How was your shower, honey pie?
So good.
Yeah.
So good.
You're a little bit cold?
A little bit. So good.
Yeah, it's definitely
Awesome.
very convenient.
Yeah.
I guess it's a little cold, but I'm willing to suffer.
Yeah, you don't have to look for a shower anymore
Yeah.
and pay for it, so it's awesome, yeah? Perfecto! Finally, we are leaving Canada.
We deserve fist bump first.
Yeah, that was awesome. We need sexy thumbnail for this video though.
I can be sexy.
You can be?
I can, of course, honey. I have a boob. I can be sexy.